Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Selo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. The late award-winning gospel musician Usiso Ncwane's mother, Bikile Ncwane, wants to do a traditional cleansing ceremony known as Kupula to bring back home the spirit of the gospel musician. The ceremony of Kupula is practiced mostly by Nguni families who want the spirit of the deceased to be brought home months or years after the burial. This is normally done after the mourning period has ended. Siso Ncwane, a popular gospel singer and composer, died on the 5th of December 2016 at the age of 37. His wife, Ayanda Ncwane, who managed Siso's music career, held an unveiling ceremony for her late hubby a fortnight ago, and she snubbed Siso's mother and his older child when he unveiled the decorated tombstone of her late husband. Now speaking to a publication called Izimoja Lezinto, Siso's mother Ufikile confirmed that as a family they are planning a traditional ceremony of Ukukupula for her late son. She said it broke her heart when she learned that Ayanda did not include Siso's family when she unveiled his tombstone. Ayanda, who has been frequenting Nigeria lately for the church engagement, did not invite Siso's other children and his friends. Siso's mom said she would like her grandchildren to attend the ceremony, even though her estranged Makoti Ayanda has been ignoring her request to see her grandchildren. She said, I don't know what I did to her, but I want her to know that I love her because she is the mother of my grandchildren, she said with a broken heart. She also pleaded with Ayanda Ncwane to grant her access to see her grandchildren, said she won't be around forever, you guys. And now, you guys, she also pleaded with her Makoti to forgive her for whatever wrongdoing she did to her. She said, I'm old Ngani Yami. I don't know what I did to her. I am sorry, but God won't keep me around forever. I would like to see my grandkids because seeing them on social media and TV is not enough. She added, as a woman of God, I hope she finds it in her heart to forgive me for whatever I did to her. She also added, she said that the last time she saw Ayanda Ncwane was in December 2016 at the Moses Mabhida Stadium during Siso Ncwane's funeral. She said, I was sitting next to her. Then after that, it was time to go to the graveyard. She never greeted me, even when I tried to comfort her at the funeral. She just gave me a cold shoulder. She said, Siso's mother plans to hold a ceremony of Kupula at her home in Mutuluwame on the south coast of Durban in the coming months, you guys. Well, there you have it. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comments section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And also make sure that you subscribe to my new channel called Reality TV Dish, and I will post the link in my community post. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this video. Bye.